Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up Kucoin price alert effectively. So I will just tap on my Kucoin account and make sure you may officially logged in. So right now I will scroll down and see the trending coins. So example like I just tap on this Bitcoin, and from here you will see there is the chart graph of Bitcoin for trading. How to alert price of this coin. So I will just tap on the top. You will see here is the ambulance icon. I will just tap on it, and from here you will see the price alert. So right now 98,300 something of price of BTC. So I will just enter like 1 lakh, one cross above 1 lakh. I will just create to alert. So here you will see, so when it cross of 98,000 above reach to 1 lakh, so it will be notification automatically. You will see, to receive alert please go to the settings and enable notification. So just tap to enable my notification from my settings. You will see, so when it was crossed above 1 lakh, so it will be notify me. So this is how to set effectively a price alert on KuCoin. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.